In this video, we are discussing about the course 3 of the data science, PG diploma in data science. Here the machine learning one is there, and then we study about the linear regression bike assignment, sharing assignment. This assignment I will make a separate video on this. Also on this assignment, lead scoring case study. These two assignments I will try to make it separate video, and then I will upload it in future. Okay. Now here is a content of it, the linear regression first one. In this introduction we studied, and then introduction to machine learning, regression line best fit, line of best fit. Okay, then these are graded questions. Let us see what is there in graded questions. Here machine learning problems is there. Machine learning model, supervised learning classification. If I go through all the questions, then I can answer it. This first one is over. This is second one. This is a regression in machine learning. Okay. This is the answer, and this one is a multiple answer is correct one here for this. Third one question is there. Coefficient of regression equation. It will be divided by 1.6. Okay. If you read this question, and then fourth one. This is a question. Strength of regression model X is equal to, this is the database which is given, and then R square, it is a R square, adjusted R square value also we studied. Okay, this is a answer for that one. Now this great question is over. Next module is a simple linear regression. Here assumptions of linear regression, that is error should be normally distributed, and the linear model should be there. There are a few assumptions are there. You just go through the assignments. I will then build the linear model. To build the linear model, what is the parameters need to be satisfied, and SQL learn about the library, Python library. We have SQL learn. Then interview practice questions we have. Just check it. See, this is a maximum likelihood. Okay. So, and the second one question, best line of best fit. In the hypothesis, this will be the one question, and then this should be the answer. I wronged it. F statistics is the answer. P value or which of the following is used in determining the significance of fit model to fit. F statistics. Then hetero. Heteroscedasticity. Then T value. Okay, that's it. And this one is two questions only. This is not the graded questions, but this is a question which is it may ask in the interview. Okay, regarding the Python interview, if you go, then it may ask in the question. Now let us see the graded questions in linear regression. Okay, graded questions, and these are the graded questions which is available here. The first question is strength of the relationship. XY is 2, and then 0.95 is the better strength the relationship. Then this is the next one, hypothesis testing for beats. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, overall total fit. Now the fourth one. And only one question is there, correlation. Okay, this is that one. Now this is the optional. I not solved the optional question. I solved it actually. Multiple linear regression, right? This is a great question. What to be studied? We have I have explained here in summary that question. Okay, so this is a line of best fit. This is a line equation, straight line equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Then we can check the graded question on this. Comprehensive question beta. Okay, next this is a okay. Next is a single one. The multiple answers is correct one here. And then this is a great question 4 actually. Answer is so. Okay. Now redundant variable read high VIF. If the VIF value is high, then we will drop that content. That is VIF is nothing but various inflation factor. Variance inflation factor, that is 1 by 1 divided by 1 minus r square. Okay. Here we have this introduction regarding understanding that initial steps building the model 1, model 2, model 3. This we have used in the analysis of bike sharing assignment problem. So this is the questions which is there. Estimation based on p-values. So wherever the p-value is near to 1, it is a correct one. Okay, one question only. This is the second one. Scaling variable. These two answers are correct in case of scaling variable. And the third question is multilinear regression. That is the line equation which we have used. This is the correct answer. And then RSQ adjusted. R square adjusted and R S square is adjusted. Okay, these two answers are correct. Then industry. Industry related relevant of linear regression. Okay, building the model assignment. Okay, now second module, that is a linear regression assignment. That is nothing but the bike sharing assignment. For this bike sharing assignment, we have used the whatever the linear regression models is there. VIF based on VIF based on VIF and p-value, we check the which model is best fit for the analysis, the bike sharing analysis. This analysis I will share in the upcoming videos. Okay, logistic regression. Now this is a logistic regression univariant analysis. Okay, this univariant analysis we have, and then multivariant analysis. Okay, grade questions also we have here, multivariant analysis. Yeah, these are 4 grade questions are there. Logistic regression in Python. That is GLS is the correct answer. Okay. Next, here confusion matrix. Okay, proof for matrix is there. Accuracy and precision value is there in the confusion matrix. Okay. Then third one, this is a diabetic based threshold. Okay, this just to take the screenshot of this question and then we try to solve it. This will be the answer. Okay, and then the fourth one, the last one, this log. Okay, and this is the answer. Multivariant logistic regression model. Okay, it's an evaluation. Here these are the sick curve in Python. All these things are very important curves, but only if you are going for visualization, it is important. Okay, this is question 1. Here is the answer. Next question. Calculate the precision. Consider the recall. This is the answer why it is precision recall like that. You have to answer. Then the true positive rate. True positive rate, and this is a true positive and the false negative it is. Next, threshold. This is the question, and the answers are having 2 values, that is 0.5 and 0.05. Then fifth and last question. sensitivity is the answer. Okay, so question, just to read that question. Then finally, graded family with the transportation of graded question is there. I will just go through the graded question. I will try to record the graded question whichever is available, so that I can also refer it in future. This logistic regression, this is the answer. Then it is completed. Part 2 is there. Any graded question is there? No, graded question is not there in the prop 2. Okay. Then unsupervised and came in adjusted graded. This is introduction to clustering. Understanding clustering graded question is there. One. And this is which of the following is application is of clustering? All the above. Identify social. Okay. Then k-mean square. K-mean square is a very important parameter in order to machine learning. It is k-mean square is a important thing. That is randomly distributed 1, 3. This is the answer. Third one I will try algorithm. This one is the answer. So PC, PHC. Choose the number of clusters as the initial value. Okay, that's it. Supervised learning k-mean square is over. Okay, executing k-means in Python. This is a cluster analysis summary, non-graded in Python. Okay, there are questions there. Two are there. This create a data set which is given in algorithm. This select and k-mean square. Okay, so, right. Second one. Choose the number of cluster. This data set we need to download, and then we have to find the answers of this. By using the Python, we have to do it. I did it by using the SQL, this Excel sheet, I think. Okay, unsupervised. This is a hierarchy problem. Hierarchical. Two grade questions are there. One. This data set is given. Now, based on the data sets, what is the distance between the point B and point A? This is a B point, and this is a E point. What is the distance between 1, 2, and 5, 6? That is this is the answer. Next, select the appropriate option which describes the single linkage method. Okay. Then, based on the concept of algorithm clustering, which 2 points will fit cluster C and D. This is C. This is D. Okay. Here we have to solve it. Supervised. This is nothing but optional, so I left that one. K mode in Python summary graded mixture. Okay. Then advanced SQL and best practice. Again, the window function is there. There is a rank function. Okay. Window function is nothing but a dense rank. Then the case statement, stored routine cluster. Okay. These things are there. Here also introduction to best practice, indexing joins, nested join, query writing. This all the things I have learned. Okay. Then problem solving using SQL, fraud detection, everything I have solved it. And finally, I have solved the graded questions of this also. So the data set is given, same Sakila it is given, Sakila ERD. This is the question and this is the query which I have written. Okay, same thing here. This is a question, it's around, and this is a query which I have written. Round is an option to minimize after decimal values. Okay. Next. Then advanced skill grade question to same Sakila software database we have to use, and we have to solve this question here. This is the commented out word, and from here to here the code is there. From this point the code is there. Okay, now this is the question, take a screenshot of it. This is the code which I have written. Okay, so it's a question, lucky customer. I'm not able to solve it because I not loaded the data file here. Both the things are over. Then business problem solving. In this optional it was, so I not solved it actually. Then cluster assignment, clustering assignment also I not solved because it is also optional. Since a very busy schedule, working as well as completing the course is very difficult for me, where I am from non-IT background, and this is the lead scoring case study we have solved and completed, and we have submitted to the Preparatory Bangalore people. Okay, introduction to track. This is not even touched it actually. Skill assignment test not even taken. Logistic regression interview questions. This is I not solved it, but if you want to solve, then I have to solve it one by one. I can't go it at the last. Okay. Additional reference of ML machine learning ML1. Okay, these are the cases. So this complete your course 3. In the next class, next video, I will tell about the course 4th, that is SQL and NoSQL database. Thank you.